Rashmi Srivastava. I will tell a speech of Guru Purnima. Vyas Purnima is celebrated in Vakshapi. Guru Vat Vyas is parents by Parashkarichi and Nastigandha. He is remembered on this day because he has taken a great task of actually classifying the Vedas. He also wrote a Mahabharata and Srimad Bhagavat. Since he provided the world with such a great knowledge, he is now of original Guru of Hindu Dharma. Guru Purnima is celebrated with respect to our Guru in Sanskrit. Guru means darkness and Ru is remove darkness. A Guru, one who removes darkness from our life and gives us knowledge. A Guru teacher of the right path to each God. Now sing slow. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Saraswati Namak Subhyam.